de la franchise. Nous ne parlons de développement d'une franchise totale. Je crois que toute la développement dans le monde, nous ne sommes pas accompagnés, nous n'avons pas les moyens de vous les demander par exemple. Là, c'est une question qui sera toujours posée. Vous avez la corporation, vous serez là, vous êtes là, mais demain, vous ne serez plus. C'est les postes de l'administration. Votre successeur ne comprendra pas ce que vous avez compris. Et vous direz comme ça. Ils sont là. Malheureusement, nous sommes obligés d'essayer de nous développer tout seuls. Avec nos raisons. C'est un peu le soir.
Il est important
je pense que ça va falloir
j'ai des plusieurs maisons qui me font des projets à hauteur de 40 à 50% d'intérêt que je paye. Et ça, c'est en milieu. Donc, c'est Michel Gérard.
Je m'efforcerai un tout petit peu à donner des réponses, celles qui sont à ma possession, à ma connaissance, et ensuite on va procéder à la position.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Just a few comments. I think credit must go to the director that's here. So there's lots of stakeholders that's not here, but I think his presence is important. I think your passion that you talk about your business is typical of a businessman, an entrepreneur, and not maybe me as a salary. And I always see it a huge respect for that's your lifeblood. And you must keep on with that drive and that passion, because while it's a pity that the financial institutions are not here, they will develop their business model, hopefully, around what the business market demands. So you need to be responsible, the parties here, to push and to drive that they change their business model. And you know how you started your business, wasn't you got up one morning, you was successful, it was hard work. So each and everybody here needs to talk to those institutions each time you meet them. Tell them, why weren't you there? Why don't you come next time? Why don't you change? We've got this documentation now, maybe you can tell them this is something that has been done in another country. I don't say we have it right, I don't say we're successful, but it's something you try. So you guys as businessmen, franchisors must push that these things are changed. So on the point, I think it's government's responsibility to some extent. It's your responsibility to some extent. And it's the financial institutions to some extent. They want to be successful and grow their business. They will have to adapt or they will die. This opportunity, one of the banks will come in here and will do it first, and all the franchise businesses will go to them. So maybe small steps to go to some of the key players. Maybe when you finish this week is to create your association, invite the financial institutions and demand that they are members on your board and your association. Both Standard Bank, we've got 4 big banks in South Africa, Standard Bank, We are all four senior members of this franchise association in South Africa. So we're all there. Because we all want a piece of this cake. Because we want to grow our business, we want to make money for our shareholders. So invite them again and again. Let them become members. Let them see the opportunities. And let them be part of creating this board or the sustainability. We are also a big sponsor of the Franchise Association. We will sponsor membership. You actually pay to be a member of FASA annually. So we pay an amount, a certain amount, to be a member, a platinum member maybe. You want to be seen as a founder member of this association. So you guys might be founder members. The bank should be founder members of it because it's about business. And then we support franchise events. Remember, we've been in franchising for 30, 40 years. You guys are in your infancy shoes of getting into it. So maybe have another franchise conference again, where people can come to a venue like this, much bigger, and promote their businesses. But all the franchisors with their small little business principles, you advertise it well, and businessmen that wants to go into business can come and visit and see. And soon the banks will run and follow because they will see there's business opportunity and growth opportunity. So that's